Hi, I'm Shooter McKirsch and this is my channel, Shooter Make Drinks. And in my channel, I make drinks. Today, I have a special drink because it's called Special. It's very simple. The basic ingredients are Scotch whiskey, cranberry juice, sugar syrup, and of course, Grand Marnier, orange liquor, cognac based. It's very good. It's very easy, very straightforward. So I start with the whiskey. You can mix it all up together. It doesn't matter what you start with, as long it is special. Because this is a special cocktail. So, why it's called special, I don't know. I didn't put the research in it, but okay, it's special. And indeed it is. I like it very much. Okay, then, last time in my previous videos, I didn't say how much exactly. I put it in the description, but I can say it's 45 milliliters with this one, Grand Marnier, orange based, very nice one. It's 30 milliliters, which is about 1 ounce, or 2 of my small guys here. All right, then you go with pink grapefruit juice, also 30 milliliters, which is 2 caps. I already squeezed it. You know, it's much nicer when you squeeze it because you can put the grapefruit in there. All right, now you got 2. So a little bit story of my channel. So I started this channel because I like to make drinks at home. And when I had some parties, and then I thought like, hey, why not make a YouTube channel out of this? It's a nice idea, I think, and these are the drinks I usually make. So enjoy. And now a little bit of sugar syrup. Just a little bit, not to make it too sweet. I like it sweet. So the original recipe says 5 milliliters, but I give a little bit more. 5 milliliters is a third, so I give it a half. There you go. And then what do you do next? That's right, you shake it with ice because you want it cold. Okay, what I usually do is I have 3 different sizes of ice cubes. The regular ones you get like in the fridge. Then I have medium-sized ones, these ones. So I take 1 big, well, maybe 2. You need the ice for dilution. And then a few smaller ones. The smaller ones are better for dilution because they melt easier. What you can also do normally if you want to dilute a little bit faster is with crushed ice. But all right. Okay, I made a mistake. I mixed everything in the small of the shakers, which you usually don't do. You do the bigger one. But okay, and you have to be careful when you twist. Okay, and now you shake it. First a little bit because you want to have like the vacuum. It's metal, so it got smaller. And then you shake. Shake a little bit. The longer you shake, more dilution. Okay. And now, close the door. Don't run away. Close the door. And now you fill it in a glass. Okay, normally this drink comes in a martini glass, but I don't have a martini glass, so I use a red wine glass. It's the big one. That's the closest thing I have to a martini glass. It's okay. Put it in the freezer because it's cold. You want to have to drink cold, right? I already put ice cubes in there, but if it's in a martini glass, you don't put any ice cubes because that's not the style. All right. I'll strain it. And then here you go. It looks nice. That's look nice. And now, here you go, special drink. And because I don't drink my own drinks, not always, and for you guys, I don't want to tell you how amazing it tastes. That's why I have my good friend Yaroslav. You might know him already from a previous episode. Try it. How do you like it?
Pretty good.
See? Pretty good. All right, this was the episode with the special cocktail from Shooter Make Drinks. and where I make drinks. I hope I see you next time. Please subscribe, it's very important because I need more subscribers, so then I want to make more videos, right? All right, then have a great evening. Bye.